Welcome to our channel where we review the latest tech and gadgets. If you're new here, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more. In today's video, we'll be comparing two of the most popular coffee machines in the market, NESCAFÉ Dolce Gusto Genio 2 and De'Longhi Magnifica Evo. The NESCAFÉ Dolce Gusto Genio 2 is priced at $141, whereas the De'Longhi Magnifica Evo is priced at $599. Making the Genio 2 a more budget-friendly option. Both machines are user-friendly and offer one-touch recipes, but the De'Longhi Magnifica Evo has color icons that make it easier to navigate. The De'Longhi Magnifica Evo offers 6 one-touch recipes including iced coffee and long coffee, whereas the NESCAFÉ Dolce Gusto Genio 2 is more limited in terms of the types of beverages it can make. The De'Longhi Magnifica Evo has a built-in conical burr grinder with 13 settings, allowing for a more customized grind, while the NESCAFÉ Dolce Gusto Genio 2 does not have a grinder at all. The De'Longhi Magnifica Evo has a traditional milk frother that allows for perfectly textured foam with milk and milk alternatives, while the NESCAFÉ Dolce Gusto Genio 2 does not have a milk frother feature. Both machines offer removable and dishwasher-safe parts for easy cleaning, making maintenance a breeze. And that concludes our comparison video of the NESCAFÉ Dolce Gusto Genio 2 and De'Longhi Magnifica Evo. Both machines have their pros and cons, so it ultimately depends on your personal preferences and needs. Don't forget to like this video and comment down below which coffee machine you prefer. And of course, subscribe to our channel for more reviews and tech videos. Thanks for watching.